coming to myself, this is Prakash. I have total around 10 plus years of experience as completely full stack UI developer. And by coming to my total experience, 5 plus years of experience. So my relevant experience in the React, Node, Angular is 5 years. Uh, my total skills, coming to my total skills, I have the skills HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, React, Angular, Node. So these are my skill set, and I also have a little bit knowledge on backend technology like PHP and MySQL. Coming to my roles and responsibility as a junior developer, I need to work on the bugs, and I need to work on the some managements, and also we are following the agile methodology, and I need to participate some client interactions and grooming sessions also. And we are using the for the repository version for Git tool we are using. Uh, so I work previously I worked some banking sectors domains, healthcare domains, all those things. So this is a little brief about me.
So I'll start with some basic JavaScript.
Okay, sure.
So is JavaScript single-threaded?
Yeah, it's a single threaded.
Oh, so how does this set timeout, set interval,
So you actually
API calls works in JavaScript?
yeah. So what's happening is when JavaScript runs for the event one function which runs code in the like queue. So we have the multiple events. For example, I have the three statements: console log x, console log one, and I have set timeout, and I have the console log three. So happen. So so it's like JavaScript is single thread. So one after the other that event will call is like a queue. So what happens is when we comes on the set timeout function, this is like a timer processor. So it is the timer function give to the browser, and it will go to the next event. Once the set timeout is completed, when the callback is called again, once when all the event stack is completed, when then the timer callback will is executed. So this is the process JavaScript segmented application.
Okay. So what is closure in JavaScript?
So closures are like JavaScript inner functions, the inner function which has access to the outer function variables. So for example, so the inner function is taken as lexical scope, so that's why it's get the access for the outer function variables. So mainly these closures are we are using the data privacy concept, the counter concept like that. So this is the about the closures.
Okay. So what are the ES6 features you are using?
So the ES6 they introduced the latest features like they introduced the constant and let. Coming to the constant and they introduced the spread operator, rest operator. They introduced the arrow function. They introduced arrow destruction, option destruction. Uh, these type of ES6 features they introduced.
Okay. So what is the difference between arrow function and normal function?
So normal function is like a JavaScript normal function. Arrow function introduced ES6. The main difference is between the arrow function JavaScript. For example, if you use the this keyword in the normal function, that this is take the reference of the the window object in the normal function. But it comes on the this keyword in the arrow function is take the the parent object as a reference. This is the main difference we are using. And the function in normal function is a
Okay.
function. Yeah, in short form of the function. Arrow function short form of the normal function.
Okay. So is arrow function hosted in JavaScript?
Good. Actually, normal functions are function definitions are hosted in JavaScript. Coming to the arrow function is hosted or not, and I think it will host. Yeah, I need to cross check that out. But yeah, it will host. Yeah.
Okay. So
Actually, as per the hosting
have you heard
concept,
about
yeah.
okay, that's okay. Have you heard about prototype function in JavaScript?
So actually prototype is used for to inherit the properties or matters from the parent objects. That is main purpose of the prototype. And main use of the prototype, for example, I have an object. If I want to add the new properties or new methods, using the prototype, we can add.
Okay, so what, can you share your screen?
You go asking that.
Yes, I posted something on the chat. So can you create a string prototype function that will check string is palindrome or not?
Okay. Let me use some online editors. Okay. Hello.
Okay, okay, okay. You can use anything.
It's loading just a minute. Why is taking so much time? It's loading something. Just a minute. JS fill JavaScript. Okay. Just a minute. That online entry is loading. Just a minute. I don't know why.
Okay.
Yeah. So you want to apply this thing, right? Or you want separate function? Hello.
Sorry,
You want to apply create a new function for the string object, or you want to write a separate function?
I want it as a prototype function. Like I want like this. I want to execute this function and return. It should return true. How can we implement that in JavaScript?
Okay. Prototype. First, let me write the function parent that I can use. How
Okay.
to So this is the normal parallel function. Actually, prototype, prototype.
That's okay, Prakash. You understand the logic, right?
Yeah, yeah. Here I write the another function and I use this.
Okay, okay, got it. Mm.
Yeah,
So I'm posting another piece of code on the chat. Can you tell me what will be the output of this code? Hello?
I think it's 9.
9 single time or 10 times?
First, um, control the 9 times 9 and loop will complete not the event is calling. I think single time.
Okay. So what if I changed var to let?
What?
Variable I declared as var, right? Var to let.
Okay, okay, okay. So as so okay, okay. It called 9 times both in both cases. 9
You're
both 9
saying
times.
9 times? Okay. Okay, okay. Mm, Like, mm. Have you worked with TypeScript?
Yeah, while I'm working on the with the Angular, I have the knowledge of the TypeScript. So TypeScripts are this like a dynamic typecasting. Uh, sorry,
Okay,
it's a manual typecasting. If you want to do some type assign the type for the particular variable, then use the TypeScript. Yeah, I have a TypeScript.
okay.
Yes.
So what is the difference between interface and type in TypeScript?
Interface and
Type.
so actually interface is the predefined types. So for example, I have an object. Okay, okay. So the object, what is the object keys and values types? So, then I will define an interface type. Then I can use that type. Normal type is the like a string, boolean, and we can do that one.
Okay. What is the, give me a second.
Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello? Yeah, sorry, Priyash. Okay, where was I? TypeScript. So what is the usage of the keyword unknown and never in TypeScript?
Yeah, but not much idea. But by as much as I'm not busy. For example, if we don't need the what is type of exact type we need to do, then we use the unknown.
Okay, never keyword.
I forget that there's sometimes like, for example, if you define the any, it will take the any time. Unknown is we don't need the type, that is the unknown. Never, some difference are there. I need to get that one. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So that's it from TypeScript. I'll move to React.
Okay.
So how does React works? How does a state update work in React? How
So
does
React
React?
is like
Yeah.
a React is a JavaScript family, a JavaScript library to use the to build single page applications. So if you want to build the components wise, so then you use the React. So actually React is works based on the virtual DOM concepts. For example, when the component is rendering, so take the copy of the real DOM and put in the memory and paste the virtual DOM. If any changes are happen on the component, so then again create a newly updated virtual DOM, and it will check the updated virtual DOM and the previous one virtual DOM. What are the particular nodes are changing? Those node changes apply on the real DOM. So this is process called reconciliation process. This is a basic structure of the React. Yeah.
Okay. So how can we achieve this life cycle method inside functional component, like mounting and unmounting?
Yeah, actually, the inside function, if you want to achieve the lifecycle maintenance in the functional components, so we use the use effect hook. So if we pass second argument as an empty array for the use effective, that means we can achieve the mounting. That means when the first time the page rendering, if we want to do something, then I will pass the second argument as an empty array. If you want to do, if you want to actually update it, or if you want to do something when a particular props is updated, then I will pass the that props value as the dependency to the array. If you want
Okay.
to run the for every change, then I have not paused the any array second array. And if you want to achieve the unmounting, then I will do the within the call in the use effect. Yeah.
Okay. So how can we achieve should component update in functional component? Suppose I want to prevent rear end.
So I will when the props are changed, I will show the when the props are changed. First, I will check the uh, particular all of the props I will stored in the state value, particular state value. If the props are changed, so I will check the new props will along with the state value. If both are not equal, I am not. If equal, I am not. I am not updated. I actually
What
the
if
use
the
of
props are from,
and the use effect I will pass the second argument error, right? So in the error, I will prompt that I will pass the props as dependents. Then we can achieve that.
okay, so I am posting a code on the sets. Can you show me how to prevent the rear end? Just give me a second. Okay. So can you open a React sandbox?
Yeah. So you want to paste that one?
Yeah, in app.js. Post all, copy the whole code and replace.
It's not for just use the Raspberry Pi. It's not yeah, I pasted.
Okay. Can you run the code and open console?
Give some more additional. Yeah. Hello.
No, console is on the right side, I think. The URL is go, no, no, right. Go to right, right there, bottom. There is a you on the
Just now.
preview. There is a
Yeah, yeah,
your
yeah,
console.
yeah.
Yeah, that I can.
Yes.
Okay, so whenever this parent state is updated, the child will re-render. Can you click the increment button?
Yeah.
The child will re-render, right?
Yes, yes.
So I want to prevent that re-render. How will you achieve that?
Yeah. Yeah, child component. Actually, we can React memo you can use or use memo.
Can you show me?
You can use child directly, right? So generally you can do here. Yeah, just a minute. Generally we can use a React memo here. Hello.
Okay,
So here I am just getting this here I can use the React memo something.
okay. I'll leave it.
Something is missing. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I got it.
Concept is,
Have
but if
you?
you use it, yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Have you worked with custom hook in React?
Not get the chance, but I had a little bit area. But I can if I get a chance.
Can you
Yeah.
create a custom hook
I
now?
create one
Is it
separate function. There I can use that one. This type of hire I have. I create separate function. There I pass, but something I use some. I have. I mean, if I verify once again, I will do that one. Yeah.
okay? Okay. So which middleware are you using in React? Which state management tool are you using right now?
Middleware I use the trunker Swagger. So the next concept I use that one.
So what is generator function in Saga?
I forget. Actually, Swagger tracker we use when we call the APIs between the before the user call. So at the time we use the generator function. I missed that one. Yeah.
Okay. So what exactly the usage of middleware in Redux? Why we need middleware?
So actually, the coming to the Redux concept, we have all the data application we stored in the store and the data objects format as states and the state objects format we are storing. You can get the data from the store using this. You can subscribe to them directly. But if you want to update or if you want to create, if you want to delete the data, we need to dispatch an action. So register will based on the action type, it will do the those updating or create something. So before reducer doing these things, we need to fetch the data. For example, I want to create the one. I want to call one API. When I click the add user, I need to call one API. So at the time, first I will dispatch an action add user. So before doing the add action, I will add the middleware one for trunk or Mustaka for to call the API to call the to add the user. Then after that, I will do the user will do the things. Yeah.
Okay. Have you heard about context API in React?
Yeah, context type if you want to share the data between multiple components, we can use that as context API. So we can create a context object and we can share that one. Yeah.
Okay. So which one do you prefer, Redux or context API for state management?
If we want a large number of data, if we are maintaining, then I will go with the Redux
Okay. Mm.
because I will
So,
mostly work with Redux only. Redux just reduces actions.
okay. So what are the best practices to optimize the React app coding practices?
So we can use the lazy loading concept, and we can use the this we use before use callback things, and you can use the React key values of our iterations, and we can use React portals, and we can use we had tool for profile. Something tool is there for getting the all the optimization results. So these type of things I use.
Okay. That's it from my side,
Yeah, yeah.
Prakash. Do you have any questions?
So if I select the and which type of project I need to work.
It will be mostly a React front-end project. I don't have any idea about the project. I'm hiring for another team.
Okay,
Mostly it will be .NET that's backend and front-end is React.
okay. Yeah, got it,
That's
got it.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Prakash.
Thank you,
Great
Chris.
talking with
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Bye.